Good morning. So I'm sitting here drinking my Slimmer Skinny Water, which is a scoop of Slimmer powder, which I put in here, and 2 drops of the Slimmer essential oil and some water flavoring, just to give it a good flavor. I like the strawberry pineapple smash by Mile. Just a little bit left. So yummy. I love it. So now that I've got that down, I figured I'd tell you a little bit more about the products. So let's just go to our back office. Okay, so when you log into your back office, you'll see these little lines at the top of your screen. You won't be on this screen, but the little white lines here in the top right corner, right over by the arrow where it says 25 with the red dot, over to the right of that, those white lines, you'll see those. If you click those, it'll bring you to this screen. Now this is if you're on your phone. If you're on a desktop computer, you'll see this black bar with all these tabs automatically over to the left side of the screen. So you're going to just scroll down to HBN Library and click that. It will open and you'll see Documents. Click that. Then under Documents, you're going to want to go to Product Information Pages. And it will bring you all the product information pages for all our amazing products. Then if you go to Slimmer, you'll see Slimmer and Slimmer Oil there. So if I click Slimmer, then here is the information for Slimmer. So it'll give the ingredients, the product summary, some ingredient highlights, all the information about it, including caution, suggested use, all of that. So you can see here the ingredients with Slimmer, some of the highlights of it. It includes a patented herbal extract from the ashwagandha plant, and it's clinically demonstrated to help control the stress hormone cortisol. And elevated cortisol levels triggered by stress cause problems with sleep, weight gain, appetite, and fatigue. It also has another patent pending weight loss ingredient that's been shown to help with healthy blood sugar levels and decreased appetite. And a well-balanced blood sugar level is crucial to your overall fitness and well-being, regulating your hormones, triggering your body to burn stored fat, and increasing your metabolism to help you lose weight. And it also has yakan root, which this has natural prebiotics that promote the growth of beneficial gut microflora to reduce bloating and calm inflammation. And then it has sea buckthorn berry. I've heard a lot about this ingredient. Scientists in an Australian study believe that omega-7, the rare essential fatty acid abundant in sea buckthorn oil, and other naturally occurring nutrients signal the brain to not store excess fat from meals. And it's also excellent for everyday use as your all-in-one supplement because it contains omega-3, 6, 9, and the rare omega-7. And it has very high levels of vitamins A, E, and C, strong antioxidants, anti-inflammatory properties, and totals out with over 190 bioactive nutrients. During a pandemic, you want to be taking products like this. Green coffee bean extract. Of course, we all know that green coffee bean, they haven't been roasted and they contain a higher amount of the chemical chlorogenic acid. And this chemical has a lot of health benefits. It's thought to help with high blood pressure. It might affect blood vessels so that blood pressure is reduced. For weight loss, this is thought to affect how the body handles blood sugar and metabolism. And it has less than 2% natural caffeine. So it usually doesn't bother you if you don't really like caffeine or do well with it. And then Garcinia cambogia extract, and this is often considered a miracle cure for obesity. It affects weight loss in a number of ways, and developing research suggests that it might prevent fat storage, control appetite, and increase exercise endurance. So these are the awesome benefits of the Slimmer. Now let's look at the Slimmer oil. So the Slimmer oil, it's an essential oil. The application can be aromatic, internal, or topical. It includes pink grapefruit, lemon, lemongrass, peppermint, and ginger root. You'll definitely want to talk to your healthcare provider if you're under any type of medical treatment or have any kind of issues. If you're pregnant or nursing, definitely, don't just use this product if you're not consulting your healthcare provider. Just talk to your doctor first if needed. And there's some really amazing benefits with this. First of all, I love the taste. It supports healthy metabolic function when ingested, and it can help manage cravings, and it's free of calories and stimulants, and it's definitely helped me with my cravings. And as far as the ingredient highlights from this, pink grapefruit's shown to increase metabolism, help suppress appetite, dissolve fat, prevent bloating, and reduce water retention. Pretty amazing. Lemon helps to remove toxin buildup from the body, increases energy levels, and supports healthy digestion. Lemongrass is well known for promoting a positive outlook when diffused, and it assists in supporting healthy digestion. And peppermint naturally suppresses the appetite, which can assist you to avoid overeating. It also helps to reduce bloating and indigestion. And ginger root has compounds that reduce inflammation in the intestines and assist in the absorption of vitamins and minerals from the foods you eat. And then it gives how you use it. But I'll say, with all of these, it's not like you take it one time and then it's, a miracle. You have to use it consistently, and over time you will notice the effects. But as far as the appetite suppression and helping with cravings and sugar cravings and all of that, for me, that did happen immediately the first time I used it. So there you have it. So as you can see, those are some pretty incredible ingredients and products to use, especially if you're trying to lose weight. And they do work. When I use them, they definitely reduce my appetite. I'm not tempted when I'm getting the kids their pizza or McDonald's or something. And I normally have a horrible sweet tooth. I haven't had that problem. And the other thing is just the smell of it. As I'm drinking it, it's very refreshing and energizing just smelling it, and I just read to you why. I didn't know that was why, I just knew that's the effect that it had. Now we know why. So give it a try. I mean, what do you have to lose other than a little weight? All right, guys, take care. God bless.